Well, good morning. It's Grandpa Ricky, and I've misplaced my scarf, so this hat will have to do. When you get old, that's what happens. You, nobody stole it. I lost it. Anyway, today's about snoring, and this little piece of this little tape. This is tape, and it's got a little tab here and a tab here, and I make it every night. And I just put it over my mouth like that, and it stops me snoring. And for about 2 weeks, I thought, oh my God, I'd go to sleep and I'd think that I was being asphyxiated because, I've been punched in the nose and everything, and breathing through my nose is not easy. and I get a lot of mucus because I'm old and because I did stupid things like smoke and stuff like that, and I've got emphysema. So breathing is not easy, but I forced myself, and guess what? I can breathe. It's a marriage saver. So you can try it. It's not easy, but some of the best things in life are not easy. Like getting sane. Oof, that's terribly tough. Maybe I should make a video about that too. Please have fun making videos. This is the craziest, best thing I've ever done in my life because I'm getting to review my life before I die. Hello, make sense of your stories by telling somebody else. If nobody watches, what do you care? It might help, and maybe you're watching this, and it's cheering you up a bit, and like, oh yeah, I can take the lid off, Anyway, carry my new saying is something like Costco, and it's carrying on, staying calm. No, keep on carrying on, staying calm. So make your videos and have the best time you can. Keep smiling. Makes you feel better. Bye.